Hello students, how are you all? Yes, we are doing grammar revision of Essay 1. See, we have done revision of naming words, we have done revision of doing words, we have done revision of describing words also. But to know the difference between naming words, doing words, describing words, we again are revising all these words so that you will remember it. Okay? You will know the differences between naming words, doing words and describing words. Okay, children? So you all are ready to know this? You all want to revise? Yes or no? Very good. So you all are ready. Okay? So see now. Naming words are names of people, places, animals and things. We have done, no? Naming words are names of people, places, animals and things. You all know this? Yes, I have sent this PDF also. Naming words. Okay, children? So you all know what is naming words? Yes, naming words are names of people, places, animals and things. Things also, you know people, place you know, animals and things we have all done in detail. Okay? When I have taught you the lesson. Understood? So now today we will only do exercises. So see now, match people with places they work. See this, teacher, it is a people. Teacher, where teacher work? Match people with places they work. Teacher, where teacher work? In school or hospital. Teacher, teacher, school, school, school. So we have to tick in school. See, I am ticking, matching. Teacher, school. Teacher, school. Remember, teacher work in school. Teacher, teacher, school. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will see other. Again, match people with places they work. Now you tell me where farmer work. Farmer. 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 Airport or farm? Farmer. Yes. Farmer. Farmer. Farm. Farmer. Farm. Farmer. Farm. Okay, children? Yes. So remember, farmer, farm. Farmer works in the farm. Okay? Now see. Match people with places they work. Doctor. Where doctor works? Yes, you all know. You have done revision. You have done in your homework also. So, doctor. Hospital or airport? DOCTOR, doctor. Hospital or airport? Two options are given here. So you have to match the correct options. Doctor. Well, doctor works. Yes. Doctor. Very good. Hospital. Doctor. Hospital. So I have to tick here. Hospital. Doctor. Hospital. Match doctor with hospital. Okay. Doctor. Hospital. Doctor. Hospital. 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 Doctor. Hospital. Doctor. Hospital. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Match people with places they work. You all know now this. Chef. Where chef works? Chef who cooks, no? Food. Very good. Chef is a person, is a people who cook food. Restaurant. Chef, restaurant. Now you all know the spelling of restaurant. Spell. Very good. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. Restaurant. Chef, restaurant. Chef, restaurant. Chef, restaurant. Okay, children? Now see. Match people with places they work. Pilot. Where pilot works? Pilot. Airport or hospital? Pilot. Airport. Pilot is a person who flies plane. No? Very good. Pilot. Airport. Pilot works in the airport. Who is pilot? Pilot flies plane. Yes, you all know the answer. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Airport. A-I-R-P-O-R-T. Airport. Pilot. Airport. Okay, see I am ticking here. Pilot. Airport. Learn well. Pilot. Airport. Pilot is a person and airport is a place. Pilot is a person and airport is place. Very good. Now see, doing words. Now we will revise doing words. Huh? Yes. Now remember doing words. What are doing words? Yes, we have learned naming words. Now we are going to learn. Now we are going to revise doing words. So what is doing words? First tell me. Yes. Doing words tell what the people. See? Doing words tell what the people and animals are doing. Yes. Doing words tell what the people and animals are doing. Understood, children? Doing words tell what the people and animals are doing. Again, see the difference between naming words. Naming words are names of people, animal, place and thing. And doing words are the words that tell what the people and animals are doing. What they are doing, what people are doing, what animals are doing. So, doing words tell us that. Okay? So now we will see. You are now, see we will do exercise and you have to tell me doing words. Okay? See. Tick the correct doing words in the sentences. So there are sentences given one number. This all sentences are in your textbook. Tick the correct doing words. Yes, in the textbook it is circle, no? But here it is tick the correct doing words in the sentences. So number one is, I drink water. Water. But what I am doing? I am drinking. I am drinking. So, drinking is a doing word. Do you understand? I drink. So, drink is a doing word, not water. What I am doing? I am drinking. So, drink. Which word will come? Drink. So, drink is a doing word. Understood, children? I I drink water. Drink is a doing word. Remember this. Doing words. Doing words. Okay? Now next word we will do. Okay? See. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. You have to see, each and every sentence will come. All the sentences are given in your textbook. Number 2 is, my sister sleeps on the bed. B-E-D, bed. My sister sleeps on the bed. My sister sleeps on the bed. What my sister is doing? My sister doing? My sister sleeps. Understood? My sister sleeps. So sleeps is a doing word here. See, 2 options are given, no? So my sister sleeps. Sleeps is the doing word. My sister sleeps. What my sister is doing? My sister sleeps. Understood? Very good. See, 2 options are given. 1 sentence, 2 options. You have to tick the correct doing words. Okay, children? Yes. Now see here. Next one. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. Number 3. He plays football. He is a boy. We call boy, no, he. Yes. Now you all know the doing word, so you have to tell me. Okay, children? Yes. He plays. P-L-A-Y-S. Plays. Football. F-O-O-T. Foot. B-A-L-L. Ball. He plays football. So what is he doing? What he doing? Very good. He plays. He plays. See, doing words. He plays. So plays is a doing word. He plays. Understood? He plays. He plays football. So play is a doing word. Understood? You all are doing well. You have to give me answers. Okay, children? Yes. Now see. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. Now mother. See number 4. Sentence number 4 we are doing. Mother bakes cookies. Mother bakes cookies. Now 2 options are given. See, first option is mother and second is bakes. What mother doing? Mother is a naming word. You all know, no? It is a name. Yes, it is a person. It is mother. What mother doing? Mother bakes cookies. So which answer will come? Very good. Doing word is bakes. Mother bakes. So it is not mother. Where we have to tick? Bakes. Mother bakes cookies. Mother bakes. Bakes is a doing word. Okay, children? Very good. Now see. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. Again you see. Pick the correct doing words in the sentences. The green frog hops in the pond. The green frog hops in the pond. Doing words. It is green or hops? Which is doing words here in the sentence? What frog doing? Very good. You all know the answer. Yes. The green frog hops in the pond. So the doing word is very good. Hop. What is frog doing? Hops. Frog hops. Frog hops. So doing word is hops. Okay, children? The green frog hops in the pond. Understood? Understand it properly. The green frog hops in the pond. So hops is doing words. Hops. Okay? Now see. Take the correct doing words in the sentences. 6th number. Father drives a car. Father drives a car. Read properly the sentence. Father. Father. Drives. Drives a car. Father drives. Drives. Drives a car. So it is car or drive? Which is the doing word here? Yes. Drives is the doing word. Father. What father doing? What father doing? Tell me. Father drives a car. What father drives a car? What father doing? Father drives a car. Understood, children, the difference? So father is a naming word. Drives is doing words. Father drives. Father drives. So where I have to tick? 2 options are given. Drive. Very good. Drive. Father drives a car. So drive is a doing word. Understood, children? Father drives a car. Drive is a doing word. Okay, children? Very good. Now see. Now we will do describing words. Okay? Now you see. Words that tell us more. Words that tell us more about naming words. About naming words. Now you all have learned naming words. Are called describing words. Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Understood, children? Words that tell us more about naming words are called describing words. Now we will do exercises of describing words. Okay? So I want you all to know these describing words. You have learned naming words and doing words. Now we will learn describing words. Okay? See, first exercise. Pick the correct describing words. Okay? Tick the correct describing words. You have to tick in the sentence. You have to tick. You have done in homework. Tick the correct describing words. Very good. Sentence A. They the baby on a green bed. They put the baby on a green bed. See, green bed. So green is a doing words. Bed is naming word. So green bed. Which color bed? Tell us more about the bed. More about naming word. Bed is naming word, no? Yes. So green bed. So where we have to take? Where we will take? In green. Green bed. Understood? Sentence B. I watched a comedy film. I watched a comedy film. I watched a comedy film. Now we have to find the naming word. So film is naming word, but how is the film? More about the film. Comedy film, not horror film. So comedy is describing words. It describes the film. Comedy. C-O-M-E-D-Y. Comedy film. I watched a comedy film. So comedy is a describing word. Very good. Now sentence C. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. So see, first here we have to see naming words. Children, then tricks and magician. All these three are naming words. But magic tricks, see, more about tricks. How are the tricks? Magic. Magic tricks. Okay. So what is the describing words here? Magic is a describing word. So we will tick magic. Okay. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Sentence number D. See. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. So beautiful is describing words. It describes waterfall. How was waterfall? Waterfall was beautiful. So where we have to tick? Very good. You all have done no revision. So you will be knowing this. Beautiful. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. Okay, children? Yes. We bathed in the beautiful waterfall. So it is beautiful. E. The hungry dog looked at the bone. The hungry dog looked at the bone. So hungry dog. How is the dog? A dog is hungry. Dog is hungry. So hungry is describing word. It describes the dog. Yes, angry dog, hungry dog, lovely dog, loving dog. Okay, good dog, fluffy dog. Okay, see now. Okay, now you all have done this. Now you give me answers. Okay, they put the baby on a green bed. Who will tell? They put the a baby on a green bed. So, green. Very good, those who have given answer. I watched a comedy film. What is the describing word here in this sentence? Very good, comedy. Children enjoy the magic tricks of the magician. Which is describing words? Very good, magic. We bathe in the beautiful waterfall. Which is describing word? Beautiful. Sentence E. The hungry dog looked at the bone. Describing word is hungry. Okay, children? Yes. Now you want to do more sentence? Yes. See here. Tick the correct describing words. Mary liked her new pen. See here again. Now you all know, no? New pen. How is the pen? Pen is new. Mary liked her new pen. So, new. Sentence D. It is a dirty cloth. It is a dirty cloth. How is the cloth? Dirty. How is the cloth? Dirty cloth. So, describes the cloth. So, dirty is a describing words. Okay? Yes, it is revision. So, listen carefully. Sentence H. The circus is full of funny clowns. Funny clowns. Which is describing words? Funny clowns. Funny is describing words. It describes the clowns. Sentence I. This is a hot pen. So be careful. So what is describing word here? Hot. Hot pen. How is the pen? Pen is hot. Okay. Very good. Sentence J. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. So which is describing words? Colorful. Now you all know this. No, now you tell me which are describing words here. See. Mary liked her new pen. Tell me describing word. Yes, new. Very good. It is a dirty cloth. Tell me the describing word. Dirty. The circus is full of funny clowns. Describing word is funny. Very good. This is a hot pen. So be careful. What is the describing word here? Very good. Hot. Sentence J. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. The baby loves to play with colorful balloons. So which is the describing words here? Very good. Colorful. So now say children, you all have done this. Okay. Now you remember these describing words and you have to tick it. Tick the describing words. Okay. Options may be given. Okay. In that options you have to find out which is the describing word. Okay children. So new pen. New is a describing word. Dirty cloth. Dirty is a describing word. Funny clowns. Funny is a describing word. Hot pen. Hot is a describing word. Colorful balloons. Colorful is a describing word. Okay children. Now you all have learned this. So now I hope you all are understanding it. Okay, do revision of essay 1 properly. Be safe at home. Prepare for your essay 1 exam. And best of luck for your preparations. Okay, children. Thank you all. Okay.